Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here scroll down to the accessibility section. Now just scroll again a little bit down and go to the system navigation section. Right there you will see on the right side of your screen the settings icon, and just here to change your left or right edge sensitivity, swipe this dot to the left or to the right. That's from the lower to the higher, and so by this way you can change your gesture sensitivity. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.